Well, there's two different options for this particular configuration. First, you can just leave these fields blank, right? If you know all of my e-commerce items have SKUs associated with them, and I want to maintain those SKUs, well, you can leave those fields blank, and then the system will import those products and just inherit the SKU from the e-commerce platform. The other option is to set up a numbering sequence with a numbering template. And really what that means is you're just going to set a default standard for how to assign an inventory ID to these items. So in this case, as you can see on the left here, we have a Shopify item with the inventory ID. Because this is so similar between Shopify and BigCommerce, I'm just using one picture here. But basically, I'm just showing that you can import those inventory IDs directly. So we have Kiwi Jam 08 inside the e-commerce platform. That's going to import into Acumatica as the same Kiwi Jam 08. And of course, the other option is to just use that numbering sequence where it doesn't matter what your e-commerce system is. Whenever you pull that into Acumatica, you're going to use the numbering sequence. In this case, our numbering sequence looks like it has EC for e-commerce, 00495, and that's just part of the sequence, right? The nice thing though is inside that same inventory item, in the cross references tab, we're still going to store the external SKU for you. So that's really good for you to just have that backup inside the system.